Hello traders, today is the 19th of July guys, and I hope you are banking amazing profit. What a blessing day guys. We had amazing trade on euro pound. Pretty straightforward. We've been long since the market broken this this structure, which is this one. So we've been long since there, and as explained my trader, as long as the market break above the previous side, just keep taking a long trade here. Especially if you look ahead, this one bullish engulfing candle, we have been long from here as well. And even in the Asian session, as I explained my trader, first priority always will look to pullback. Even London morning session, we also had this pullback and bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entry. That's a pretty straightforward. If you look ahead, this is the Asian session. Even previously, you can see here that was the beautiful breakout. After this breakout, banking some profit. As explained my trader, just keep taking a pullback. We're only going to take a short when the market is going to break the recent low. Otherwise, pretty straightforward, a long trade here. So you can see here, based on that, even later on the news wasn't good for the pound. That will give us another information. Beautiful long trade. After banking some profit, as explained my trader, look for another pullback, which is pretty straightforward. As you can see here, as explained, let the market break this structure and then take a long trade here. You can see here market nicely developed pullback. Beautiful long trade here, as explained my trader. Now it's time to enjoy some profit. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it when you see it live in real time. So most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.